partly cloudy. A slight chance of shower. The National Weather Service in Austin, San Antonio has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Williamson County, northwestern Travis County, until 6:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:52 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Leander, or near Cedar Park, moving southeast at 5 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Austin, Round Rock, Cedar Park, Andersonville, Leander, Lago Vista, Hudson Bend, Jonestown, Vollant, Brushy Creek, and Jollyville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm, and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Your local forecast.